Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to battery and detect the apps with the highest usage. So we're going to open up the settings. Now in these settings, we're scrolling down to battery. Here, we need to scroll down to battery usage, and we want to see the apps that are running in the background all the time. So I do not have apps like these. For example, YouTube is running less than a minute in the background, but still we can disable allow background usage, and now this app won't run in the background anymore. So this is what you guys can do for the apps with the highest usage. Of course, make sure that you can change something, because for example, System Launcher, you can do that, but I wouldn't recommend that. Also, you cannot do that for Google Play Services or Messages app. So we want to make sure that we can do that for the apps. Now, the next thing, we want to uninstall the apps that we do not need, or apps that are actually bloatware. For example, Fitbit. I'm not going to use this app. I cannot uninstall the LENOVO Vantage, but we can find the apps like YouTube Kids. I am not going to use that. YouTube Music, I'm not going to use that, but I guess I cannot delete it. And as you guys can see, we already got rid of a couple of apps. Now, what we can do is we can install AccuBattery. So I got the AccuBattery installed right here. Now, if you guys don't know how to install it, go to the Play Store, go to search, and search for AccuBattery. After that, you'll see the details right here. You install and open up the app. This is how it looks like from the start. Now you want to look for some errors right up the top here. As you guys can see, there is no errors for me, so we want to make sure now that we actually can restart the tablet. So we're gonna press the power button and keep on holding it, and now tap reboot. You don't mind the Gemini that was popping up. As you guys can see, the tablet is now restarting. The camera is losing a bit of a focus because there's too much of the black space, but we got the logo and it's turning on. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now, as you guys can see, we are after a restart, everything's turning on. And what are we going to do as a last resort is go to the authorized service, because there may be an error that user cannot find. So it's probably the battery just being broken, or maybe you just used it too much and there's a lot of cycles. So you want to make sure that you go over and try and get it fixed to the authorized device service center that can help you out with this specific device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.